What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As we have seen that how Astha trading gives lots of margin, and by 4,000 we can place an order of Bank Nifty future, buying side or sell side, both side. So Astha trading is one of the best platform for future traders. Those who want to trade in future, they have to just maintain just um, maintain minimum balance, that is 4,000 rupees, and through that they can place an order. So guys, as I always try to give you live or demo live example that when you have to enter and when you have to exit from the market, and what would be your how much target you should keep, and how much stop loss you have to maintain. So today today in previous video, just I told you that I showed you that how and when you have to enter, but market is too much volatile. So as I suggested that you have to take only one trade in a day, but when market is volatile and you are very clear towards the direction, not very clear, nobody is clear in in this world about share market. So you have to be little bit accuracy, like 60% 70% towards the direction, whatever the direction is going to be. So as I told that if you want to open account through Astha trading, you can go through my link, and through which you can open your account. And even you in Upstocks, if you want to open account, even for that you can also go through my link. And these two brokers are very good, and Upstocks is good for equity trading or option trading, and this is Astha trading is too much better for future trading. Okay, if in comparison to every brokers in the market available. So today in this video I would like to show you a demo that when you have to enter, and what would be your target, and what would be your stop loss, and we will see that whether our target hit or stop loss hit, and how much we can earn from this market by keeping small very small mindset, like concept. Okay, so guys, if you want to get these types of video, you have to be in you have to be continuing this channel. And if you want to earn a little bit, then you have to follow this strategy by having small amount for trade. So let's start, and we have to see first that how is how actually this one is performing of stocks. Okay, you have to see not of stocks, but we have to see that how. Okay, this is the Bank Nifty future for September, and you have to see the banks, and you have to see the bank is almost increasing. It is at its maturity. This one increasing, this one increasing, but this except 2-3 banks, almost banks are going down. So you have to predict for Bank Nifty future. So when you have to enter, our actually mindset is towards negative side, that means bearish side. Okay, so you have to enter it. Once again, we have to check it that bearish or bullish. We have to see the chart. Okay, 15 minutes chart, it's down. So you have to place, like just sell again. Okay, you have to sell it for 22,715. Okay, 22,715. You can see how much amount is required. This 41 4,121, and you have to see that whether our order is executed or not. Guys, you can see that market at 22,715 our order has been executed, and we have, and now it's increasing. That means we are going to get losses. So our target will be about 22,660. How much rupees? 55 points. Okay, so let's see whether it will come at entry. Our entry price is 22,715 rupees. Target is 22,660. Okay, that is 55 point target. Okay, and you have to see here. Okay, right now we are getting losses. Our stop loss is 2500, that means 100 point. Okay, so stop loss is 22,815. 22,815 SL. Okay, how much? 2500 rupees losses. So these are the targets. Our entry was this 22,715, 22,660. Okay, stop loss is 22,815, that is 100 point. If we will according to our target, how much profit we can gain? 55 multiplied by 25. Okay, that would be almost 1300 rupees. And if our stop loss is hitting, then we will get losses of almost 2500. Okay, so let's see the market direction, and we have to achieve our target easily as per our expectation or analysis. We are very sure about market direction, that there is bearish direction, and after hitting our target, it may go upside, but right now the market will give us the 55 points easily, and we will make profit of almost 1300 rupees. Okay, so this is live session, and keep watching till our target is hitting. We have entered at 22,715. Target is 22,660. 22,660. 55 points target. Keep watching, guys. Please share and subscribe this channel, guys. I'm very new for this media like YouTube, and I am just trying to spread this knowledge free of cost. So please do little bit favor that if you want to open your account, then go through my link. If you want to keep watching my videos, then please subscribe the channel and hit the like button, as I will be always grateful to you guys if you will subscribe this channel. Okay, So let's see that target is hitting or not. Target is 22,660 where I have written this is the target. It's coming down and we are getting almost 500 profit. 22,693, 22,692, 93, 22,690. Keep watching, guys. I'm very pretty sure that 22,660 we will go for that and our target will hit and we will make 1300. In previous video we could make 1000 rupees and I saw you that how you could. Okay, this is a very good strategy through which you can make, and for big profit I have also said some I have also explained few strategy for huge profit, and for nominal profit like this 22 or like 1000 to 1500. As you can see that market has arrived at 22,667. Our target is 60. 22,660. As you can see that our target is going to be hitted, going to be hitted, going to be hitted, going to be hitted. 22,664, 160, 62. Still it is not hitted. Wait for small few minutes, few seconds. 22,666, 69. I'm very pretty sure that it would go nearby 22,650, guys. Wait for some time. But our target will hit 22,667. Actually it came nearby 22,660 point something, so I don't say that our target hit it. We will wait till 22,660 rupees. 675, 74, 75. So guys, this strategy was literally very wonderful if you have patience. As I told you that if you don't have patience, then you cannot make money from this market, and this market is not for you. Okay, it has arrived at 689. Okay, our target was 22,660. It came for 22,660.40. So we are waiting again for achieving our target that we will achieve at 22,684. Okay, our target was 55 points. If you had target of 50 point instead of 55, your order could be executed, but as your limit is 22,660, your order does not executed it. So wait till your target is hitting, your target achieved. So it's going a reverse, and it is 22,716, and our stop loss is 22,815. Actually I would like to inform you that for intraday Astha gives time, like in intraday you have to execute your order before 3:15. or 310. So before 3 till 3 this before we will wait till 3:15, because at 3:15 Astha automatically execute our order, sell or buy without having your permission. It is automatic. So guys, your order actually executed if you have put it 22,661 instead of 22,660. But we don't have to panic if you have did it, because our target is 55 points, and we was almost nearby our target. Almost we achieved our target, but market suddenly went upside. But wait, it will come for 22,660. We don't have to say market came at 22,660. No, it came for 22,660.4. so order won't be executed if your market price is 22,660 point something. Okay, again we are going towards the target. We will achieve it. I have a little bit accuracy, not little bit, 60 to 70% accuracy that we will achieve our target 22,690. Wait for some time guys, it would come down. 22,687, 22,88, 22,692, 93. Wait till your order is executed. Don't be panic, don't be hurry up. Okay, almost we are in profit because we have entered at 22,715. so don't be panic. 22,680, 22,684, 87, 88, 90. So wait guys, market direction is towards downward. But remember one thing, that during after 3 o'clock market most probably go upside. It becomes bullish when after 3 o'clock. So you have to keep it in mind. But no issue, we are in profit. Still we are in profit for 25 points, and we are going towards our target, that is 22,660. We have to stagnate to at our target, and we have to wait. 22,680, when it will come at 22,660, we can say that our target has been achieved. Our target is achieved. Okay, but if you have a little bit hurry up, or you are panic towards the losses, then you can book profit guys, because here 25 or 30 points profit we are already getting. We have entered at 22,715, and we are in profit almost 30 points, 30 to 35 points. So no issue. If you cannot wait, you can get a small profit and go out from the market. But I suggest you to wait, because if I told you to use this strategy, if you are little bit sure, okay, it will come at 660. So wait till target is achieved. And as we have seen that it came nearby 660, but it was in point like 660 point something, so we would not consider it to be done as per our target that it executed. So let's wait for our target. If you want to take small risk, if you don't want to take risk, then you can execute your order for 22,680, and through which you would get almost 35 points. Okay, and but I am pretty sure that it would go for 22,660. Keep one thing in your mind, as I already said, that at the time of last trading hour, like before, after 250 230, after 230, or after 3 o'clock, market becomes directional. Like intraday timing is 3:15, so most of the traders start to complete their order, and it becomes volatile, and market try to correct or show corrections. So this is also a little bit risky, and if you want to use this strategy, you have to do everything before 2:13 2:30. Okay, that is 2:30, and 10 o'clock to 2:30 the market would be a little bit stagnant or directional. So let's see, still our target is pending. Our target order is pending, as we have 55 points target, and market is not in mood to go that side, because it came back two times. We have seen that once it came at 70 670, and once it came at 660.4. So still we are waiting, but I would suggest that those people who don't have courage or risk taking power, they can exit just in 30 or 35 points. You can, as we are getting in, we are in profit, almost profit. Okay, but in my case I would wait, because my target is 660, and anyhow I have to take 55 points. Let's see it's executing or not, whether I can get that much profit, almost 1300, or I mean I am going for losses. We can see here 22,692. Okay, they suggested to the people that you have not patience, or those who can not bear that much losses, they can exit their order. So easily you could make almost 800 profit. We saw that market came at 22,660 points something as we have expected to come, and it is our target at 22,660. Okay, when we can modify our target, but we have to just see that whether we can get or not. Guys, it's already 3:10, and this is very risky time. So I would suggest to make a limit of about 22,690.95 and take 25 to 30 points and go out from the market. You can if you are trading at this time, but in normal time you have to wait. We have to see that what is happening. It's 3:11 before 3:15. If it is if we get that point is a profit, then it's okay. If we cannot at the market price, our order will be executed in Asta Trading because it is intraday order. The price at which it execute, that would be market price. Here we take a profit we wanted to take a profit of 55 points, but in previous video I suggested you 40 points. That is very pivot profit strategy, that if you are keeping if you are expecting for 40 points profit, there is 70% accuracy that you would achieve your profit target, but you are putting target for more than that, there is probability to achieve it is almost 50 to 60%, but for 40 points there is probability that 70% probability you achieve it. Here we are at 689, 30 points away from our target, 25 points away from our target. Eighty-four, 684. Guys, so through this strategy you would easily make almost 1000 to 1500 easily. You can see here that how our target is going to be hit, or before that you have seen the how it came nearby our target, but now we are just away 977 rupees away from our target. 669, 75, 72, 71. Our target is 22,660. Just wait guys, it's literally going to be hit. It's 670, 672. I won't consider if it market would not come down from 22,660. If it will be 20 exact at 22,660, or 20 or down from by 22,660, then I will say that yes, our target has been executed, hit. Okay, it is 22,670. 668, 6 point away, 9 point away from our target, 7.5 point, 6.5 points, 1 point. Yeah, executed guys, executed. Okay, executed. It came at 22,660. Target was 55 points. 25. Multiply, you can multiply 25 and you can make it like how much profit we are earning. Okay guys, this is very easy strategy. So it is about 1225 rupees. Okay, as our target was this one. Okay, if your target was not for 55, then as per market volatility we have proved that your order has been executed before uh, taking lots of time. Okay, and it is 315 before 315 316 before 315 our target executed. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video and giving your precious time to watch this, and try to learn from these videos, and please share and subscribe, share this video and subscribe the channel guys, and learn from this strategy and earn from this strategy. This is my motive for all these things. And if you want to open your Demat account from Astha or Upstarts, go through the link. It will be beneficial for you, and with less amount you would get high margin. Thank you so much.